So, did I have another losing week? And the answer is no, but this week was really slow, nothing exciting. I'm gonna show you guys the trades, so let's go. So right here, guys, this was Monday, and the market was very clear, but I was really sick that day. I was pretty much sick all week, but I still was at the chart. Looking for a trade. We had a nice demand right here. So I was looking for this and I didn't take it. I wanted a little bit more confirmation, and you know, that happens when you are just waiting for a little bit more confirmation. You might miss out on opportunities like this one. But if it's part of your rules and there's something that you want to do, then, you know, for me, it's okay. I don't mind missing out on certain trades because sometimes I really don't like to be the first buyer in the market. So right here, we hit that demand level and we shot back up, right? And it went up like crazy. So I missed that trade. So Monday was a no trade day for me. Let's go to Tuesday. Now Tuesday, pretty much the same setup. I was breaking out. We had demand. We have multiple rejections right here. I went long and basically I went for a quick scalp, and this is my winner. So I actually posted this before I took this trade in my Discord, and I don't usually do that. You know, Discord is for my students to post charts, communicate, but sometimes I will come on there and post charts and post my trades before I take it. So right here, you see this post right here. I post before I took this trade. I let them know I was in this trade, and boom, it worked out for a quick one-to-one scalp. So that was Tuesday. You know, everything was looking good. Now, let's go to the slow part. Let's go. So this is Wednesday. Now, I told my Discord, okay, that we have resistance right here, and most likely I'm looking for the market to react to this resistance right here, right? Now, we didn't react to this resistance right here, and we just blew past this resistance. So honestly, the market was at that level. There was no trade, there was no setup at all. It just blew past that level, so there was no trade, okay? And it shot up here, and it was just chopping back and forth, and it was getting, you know, close to lunchtime, so there's no trade. So again, Wednesday, slow, no trade, so I had to wait for Thursday. So let's go to Thursday. Now Thursday, okay, another demand setup, right? So I'm looking for the market to basically bounce off the demand. I didn't like this one, first one. I honestly, the market was looking kind of suspect too. I mean, we had this pop right here, and also we try to go up right here. Notice how we try to go up right here, right? So I'm like, you know, we try to go up. This is starting to look kind of bearish. So definitely I wanted to see how it's going to react at this level. I was looking for multiple confirmation, and it started to get a little tight right here. So I said, all right, let me go long right here. So I went long. I showed my group that I went long, and I was looking for a 2-to-1. This is where I post right here, my screenshot. I post, I went long. Now, I was looking for a 2-to-1, but it came back, and this is a break-even trade. Now, if you don't know what a break-even is basically, well, let's say that, you know, you're looking for a target of a 2-to-1, okay? But if it goes to a 1-to-1 first, all right, you will put your stop loss to your entry part. So when you had dealing with a break-even, you're not losing money, but you're not winning either. So a break-even could actually help you if you feel like, okay, the market is slow today. Maybe I need to, you know, just tighten up my stop so I won't get stopped out. So that's what happened that day. I was looking for a 2-to-1, nothing happened, boom. So let's go to Friday. All right, so Friday, again, the market shooting up, looking bullish. It was holding this, I was looking at a breakout trade. It was holding this level right here. We had news, so I was looking for some type of continuation. And then I took this breakout right here, and I post this in the room, right? I'm looking for a 2-to-1, and guess what? The same thing happened. It went up, it hit my 1-to-1. I had to, you know, put that stop to break even, right? It was bouncing off that, and then boom, it was a break-even trade, and finally it went down. Now, this was pretty much the common thing all week, and I said to myself, when I was looking over these trades, right, I said, maybe I should have just went for a quick scalp just because of the holidays, okay? We all know that the holidays are a little bit slower, so I probably should have just went for a quick scalp on these trades instead of looking for my 2-to-1. But I decided to, you know, focus on my strategy. I like to go for 2-to-1s, but this week was a much slower week. It gave you your first target, but the second target, it didn't give you to. It is what it is. A much better week, but a much slower week where things were just going up a little bit, but snapping right back. So After the holidays, I think things will pick up. So I'm definitely not worried about this slow action. But I wanted to show you guys that it doesn't matter if you have a losing day or a losing week. Always remember, guys, next week is a new week. So I want you to have enough confidence when you start a new week, right? To just forget about last week, right? And just continue to trade. Even if you have to either go on demo or even if you have to size down, do whatever you have to do in order to make sure that your confidence is high and you don't just not take no trades just because you had a bad week or a losing day. So I'm actually proud of myself this week on the performance. I did everything right. It's just a slow week. It is what it is. I did have one winner, which is good. And 2 days out of the week, I didn't trade at all. And 2 days was break even. So it is what it is. Overall, I'm proud of my performance. You know, I was following my rules. So, you know, it is what it is. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you didn't watch the last video, I talked about basically you can't just be a guy that's performing good when things are good. You have to perform good when things are bad too. This is what's gonna make you elite. This is why LeBron James, Steph Curry, or your famous quarterback, or anybody that has a job, they have to perform under pressure. This is why they get paid the big bucks, because when 3 seconds is left on the clock, who are you gonna pass it to, right? Well, you're gonna pass it to the guy that's probably gonna be able to handle that pressure, okay? So, same thing with trading, guys. You have to learn how to perform under pressure. Not only when you're doing good, guys, also when you're doing bad too. So keep up the good work, study, make sure you study your losers, make sure you study every single little thing. Always be on point when it comes to trading, guys, because if you don't, the market will sense that and it will take your money. So that's all I have for you guys today. Talk to you guys later. I'm out.